Hello and welcome. The Alliance for Young Artists and Writers is proud to present the 2024 Scholastic Art and Writing Awards. Today, we're celebrating more than 100,000 teenagers who shared their incredible art and writing this year and became part of a tradition over 100 years old. Winners joined the legacy of an extraordinary and diverse group of past award recipients, including people like Shabalala Self, Stephen King, Kay Walkingstick, Charles White, Amanda Gorman, Joyce Carol Oates, and Andy Warhol.
Across the United States and Canada, tens of thousands of teens received a regional award. Thank you to all the educators, friends, and family who encourage young creatives to pursue their craft. Congratulations to every young artist and writer who courageously shared their work at Scholastic Awards this year. Here's a selection of works that received regional awards.
Thank you for joining us to celebrate the incredible young artists and writers who make up the 101st class of the Scholastic Art and Writing Awards. As a reminder, national awards will be announced on June 12th, and we would like to offer a special thanks to our partners around the country who make the Scholastic Awards possible year after year. And once more, congratulations to all of the teens who entered the 2024 Scholastic Awards, and we look forward to seeing more work from you again next year.